There are 5 accessories in the equipment bracket as shown in the video. We need bolts and a hex wrench. Finally, it's a beam. Okay, first we should install the beam. By the way, a bolt should be installed a spring gasket and then a flat gasket before we use it. Place the beam on the gap between the 2 leg braces. Align the bolt holes with 4 bolts on each side, and the other side is the same. Turn the install bracket over and place it vertically, and then install the base parts. Make sure the base install direction, the end with 2 holes face forward. Screw the bolts. Do the same thing on the other side. Turn the mounted bracket over again. Then let's install the printing film ruler. Install the right bracket and then the left one. Install the smooth shaft and film support in chain, and then lock the screws. Thanks.